Good morning. In previous lecture, we discussed about classification and study of indigenous and exotic breeds of sheep and goat. And today we will discuss about classification and study of indigenous and exotic poultry breeds. Then first is zoological classification of chicken. Phylum Chordata, class Aves, group Neormites, subdivision Carnilis, order Galliformes, family Paradisinae, then genus is Gallus, and species is Domesticus. Then classification depends upon its utility. The first type is egg purpose. An example of chicken breeds that are white leghorn, Minora. And second class is dual purpose. Examples are IRI, Rhode Island Red, and Astrolabe. Then mid-purpose breeds are Polymoth Rock, Brahma, Cochin, and Komish. Then game purpose. Asil is the game purpose breed. Then local or Desi breeds. Example, all nondescript birds. Then next class is miscellaneous. Examples are Japanese white bottom, then Spanish fowl. Then next is classification is based on geological distribution or on the region. First class is American class. Example, Rhode Island Red, then New Hampshire. Then second class is English class. Examples are Sussex, Astrolabe, and Cornish. Then Mediterranean class. Examples are Leghorn. Then Asiatic class. Examples are Brahma, Cochin, and Langshan. Next is Indian class. In Indian class, examples are brown, Punjab brown, then Kadaknath, Asil. Asil is the game purpose breed. Then Bursa, Kalasathi, then Black Bengal or etc. Then popular crosses. Examples are Austra White and Red Rock. Then first breed is Asel. Origin of Asel is Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and UP, means Uttar Pradesh. Then body characters of Asel breed: high stamina, top fighting quality. Asel is fighting quality. Then possess peak comb firmly set on the head. Wattle and ear lobes are bright red. Wattle आणि जे ear lobes आहेत ते रेड कलर मध्ये असतात. Face is long and slender and covered with feather. Neck is long, uniformly thick or fleshy. His rings are close and generally absent on the breast. Then feathers are tough. Tail is small and drooping. The tail आहे स्मॉल आणि मागच्या बाजूला झुकलेली असते, हे इथे दाखवलेले आहे बघा. देन ॲव्हरेज बॉडी वेट मेल 4 to 5 kg and female 3 to 4 kg. Use of Asel is fighting purpose. Asel is game purpose breed. Then next is Kadaknath. Origin of Kadaknath is Dhabua and Dhar district of Western Madhya Pradesh. Body characters of Kadaknath breed is original name of breed is Kalamasi, कारण तो पूर्ण काळ्या कलरचा असतो आणि त्याचा मांस मीठ हे पूर्ण काळ्या कलरचं असतं. Fowl with black flesh. Eggs are light brown. Plumage color is कलर इज ब्लूइश ब्लॅक. जे प्लमेजचं कलर आहे ते ब्लूइश शायनिंग ब्लूइश कलरचं असतं. ब्राउन बर्ड्स आर ऑल्सो नोटिस्ड. कॉक्स मध्ये शायनिंग गोल्डन फिदर ऑन दी नेक. जे नेक वरती जे फिदर्स आहेत ते थोड्या ब्लूइश कलरचे असतात. पेटल्स आर absent. Combs are red and compressed. Spur is small in size. Then average weight of Kadaknath breed. Male 2.48 kg and female 1.85 kg. काही वेळेस काय होतं, कडकनाथच्या नावावरती ब्लॅक अस्ट्रोलार्प सेम दिसणारा पक्षी म्हणजे सेम दिसणारी कोंबडी विकली जाते. परंतु या दोघांमध्ये डिफरन्स काय, तर त्याचे कोम कलर ऍस्ट्रोलार्प मध्ये कोम कलर पूर्ण रेड कलरचा असतो आणि कडकनाथ मध्ये ब्लॅक कलरचा असतो. देन नेक्स्ट ब्रीड इज अंकलेश्वर. Origin of Ankleshwar breed is Bharuch and Narmada district of Gujarat. Then body characters of Ankleshwar breed. Comb shape is single, rose color. Birds are mainly reared by trial communities in South Gujarat of backyard farming. Maintained without vaccination. Vaccination mostly गरज नसते त्याला. And reasonable feed efficiency that survive in 25 to 30 gram per grains. Then average weight of Ankleshwar breed is male 1.8 kg and female 1.5 kg. Egg production per year is 81. Then next breed is Busra. Then origin of Busra breed is Nawapur Taluka of Nandurbar and Takri Taluka of Dhule district in Maharashtra. Body characteristics of Busra breed is plumage mostly white, comb is red, single, small to medium size, beak is yellow color मध्ये असते and wattle are red with yellow shank. Average body weight of male is 0.85 kg to 1.25 kg and female is 0.8 to 1.2 kg. And egg production all over the year is 40 to 45. Then fifth breed is Chittagong. Origin of Chittagong breed is northeastern state of India, bordering Bangladesh. Body characteristics of Chittagong breed is a large bird with good strong, possess all characteristics of game. हा सुद्धा एक गेम पर्पज ब्रीड आहे. लार्ज आईज, लॉन्ग टेल. And average body weight of Chittagong breed is male 3 to 5 kg and female is 3 to 4 kg. Then next is Dhanki breed. Origin of Dhanki breed is Andhra Pradesh. Body characteristics of Dhanki breed is plumage is mainly brown followed by black. Cocks having shining feather on wings. Tail and thigh. Neck is darker compared to rest of body parts. Wattles are absent. Comb is red and P-type. Spur is long and sharp. Then average body weight. Male 3.12 kg and female 2.22 kg. Egg production all over the year is 25 to 35 kg. Per year. Then next breed is कालास्टी. Origin चित्तूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. हॅलो, काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? Next bit is Kalasti. Origin Chittoor district and adjoining region of Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. Body characters of Kalasti breed are common plumage, color is bluish black, but brown birds are also noticed. Pattern color is generally patchy in males and spotted in females. Cock possess shining golden feathers on neck and wings. Wattles are absent. यात सुद्धा wattles absent असतं. Comb is red and P-type. Average body weight male 2.48 kg and female 1.85 kg. Egg production all over the year 30 to 40. Then next breed is Mewari. Origin of Mewari breed is central and southern part of Rajasthan. This is Mewari breed. And origin of Mewari breed is central and southern part of Rajasthan. Body characters reared for egg and meat purpose. Mewari breed is dual purpose, free range and scavenging system. Scientists claim that these are well adapted to local climate and thrive better in adverse condition. प्रतिकूल परिस्थितीमध्ये आपण याचे पालन करू शकतो. Average body weight male 1.9 kg, female 1.2 kg, and egg production per year 37 to 53. Then average weight of egg is 53 gram. Then next breed is Hansali. Origin of Hansali breed is Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. Then body characters fighting and meat purpose breed. Birds are tall and slim. Plumage is predominantly black. Males have golden yellow or red hackle. Then comb is P-type. Average body weight male 3.8 kg, female 2.5 kg, and egg production per year 67. Then average weight of egg is 46 gram. Here is Hansali breed. Then next is exotic poultry breeds. First is Plymouth Rock. Origin Plymouth Rock in America. Body characters good body size, excellent fleshing property, good eggs laying ability. Type of comb is single. Color of earlobe is red. Color of shank is yellow. Color of eggs are brown. Then commercial importance is dual purpose. Average weight of male is 4.3 kg and average weight of female is 3.2 kg. Here is photograph of Plymouth Rock. Then next breed is RIR, Rhode Island Red. Origin of Rhode Island Red birds is Rhode Island. इंग्लंड मध्ये जे रोड नावाचं बेट आहे तिथे त्याचं ओरिजिन आहे. बॉडी कॅरेक्टर्स बॉडी आर रेक्टँग्युलर अँड लॉंग. प्लमेज इज रिच इन brownish. Type of comb is single and rose. Then color of earlobes are red. Color of shank is yellow. Color of eggs brown. Then average body weight of RIR is male 3.8 kg and female 2.8 kg. Then next is Astrolark, also known as black Astrolark. This breed is developed in Australia. The most common heavy breed. Male and female are black with blue-green shine. Then beak and legs are black or dark green. Earlobes are red. जे मागाशी मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं कडकनाथ आणि ब्लॅक अस्ट्रोलार्क मोस्टली सेम दिसतात, परंतु जे इयरलोब्स आहेत आणि कोम कलर आहे इथे तो रेड कलर मध्ये आहे आणि कडकनाथ मध्ये ब्लॅक कलरचं असतं. Then any white or red feathering is considered as fault. Before the introduction of crossbreed, the females become very popular on many farms. They are less important as layers trained today because they go to broody but are generally in docile and calm. Then next breed is Sussex. हा सुद्धा एक इम्पॉर्टंट ब्रीड आहे, तो पीपीटी मध्ये नाहीये. Origin of Sussex breed is England. Body characters are body is long, shoulder are broad with good depth from front of rear, and bird has excellent fleshing quality. Type of comb is single. Earlobe color red. Color of skin is white. Color of shank is white. Then shank feather. Then color of egg is brown. And commercial importance of Sussex breed is dual purpose. Average body weight of male is 4 kg and average body weight of female is 3.1 kg. Then next breed is Cochin. Origin of Cochin breed is Shanghai in China. Body characters: body is long and massive in appearance with feathered shank. In female, there is a very prominent development of washing base of tails. Then comb type single. Color of earlobe is red. Color of skin is yellow. Shank color is yellow. Then egg color is brown. Commercial importance: dual purpose. Average weight of male is 5 kg and average weight of female is 3.8 kg. मोस्टली एक्झाम मध्ये विचारले जाणारे ब्रीड सांगतो. असेल कडकनाथ, अंकलेश्वर, मेवारी, RIR, पॉलिमॉथ रॉक, ॲस्ट्रोलार्क, गिरिराज आणि ससेक्स. याच्यामध्ये शॉर्ट नोट विचारल्यात एक्झाम मध्ये 2 मार्क्सला. त्याच्यामध्ये बॉडी कॅरेक्टर्स, त्याचं ओरिजिन आणि त्याचं यूज तुम्हाला लिहायचं आहे. कोणाला काही डाउट्स, कोणाला काही क्युरीज?